Hey kids, let's learn about the farm animals. Okay?
Farm animals. Cow, horse, rabbit, sheep, pig, goat, donkey, rooster, hen, duck, goose, swan,
Here we saw different types of farm animals who lives in the farm. Means with the people. They are not as harmful as the wild animals. So here what we see, horse, right? This is horse. Here is pig, hen, duck. Then see, here is the sheep, donkey, goat, cow. All these are farm animals. Now, from this, choose correctly which are the farm animals and tick below, tick in that boxes. Here, see the animals: horse, lion, cow, tiger, goat, donkey, octopus. See, it's octopus. Then zebra. What is this? Sheep. This is pig. Now out of this, which are the farm animals? There you have to tick. So let's start. Yes, horse is a farm animal. Correct. Then lion. No, it's wild animal. Cow, farm animal. Goat, yes, it's farm animal. All these farm animals lives with us. We can touch them. But the wild animals, can we touch them? No. And the water animals also. Some big water animals are there. So this is wild animal. So this is not a farm animal. Donkey, farm animal. Octopus, water animal. Zebra, wild animal. Sheep, it's a farm animal. And pig is also a farm animal. So here we take all the farm animals. Okay.